Now the hard drive is put inside the slot right here, all screw in, and the second component I'm going to put in is the motherboard, which will go in right here. And then the last component is going to be an optical drive, which goes inside this slot. So next, let's open the box of our motherboard. So the one I select is the Gigabyte motherboard Z270N Wi-Fi. So let's open it up. And as you can see that it is inside the electrostatic bag. So I'm gonna have to ground myself again. And let's get it out of the box. So right here, and comes with the cable. And here's the wireless antenna. Okay, and this thing goes into the back of the motherboard. And, it will show on the back of the computer. A manual